if you really have social disorder issues, or you hate interacting with people, or you might just not like, people around you, or you are kind of likes to be alone but don't want to be alone at the same time, consider looking at this video. We have right now some AI robots that apparently can do pretty much the solution for that. Okay? Let me show you that quickly so that you will eventually figure it out what I'm talking about. So apparently this is the video at CES 2025 in which there are some robots to showcase for you guys.
All right, guys, I'm here at CES 2025,
look at the robot.
and I'm in front of probably one of the busiest booths here this year. This is the booth of Robotics, which is an AI or custom-built humanoid robot, and it has full AI integration. I'm gonna have Andrew, the CEO of Robotics, give us a quick little tour of the humanoids that they have.
Oh damn, that's insane. So that's a robot, right? Okay.
Here on display, and also what you're able to do with them.
Hi, I'm Andrew Kegel, the CEO of Realbotix. Our company makes the most realistic AI-powered robots on the planet. We believe we have humanoid robots that can interact with you in a similar way to humans. We program them to have social AI so that they can have a conversation with you, learn who you are, recognize you when you're interacting with them. I'll show you a little bit about the robots here.
Now this thing is so weird. I have showcased you that it's weird to me. It's really, I would say, uncanny and kind of horrifying. I mean, I don't want to see a robot like that in the middle of midnight staring at you like a big eyes. It's kind of a lifeless thing out there that's just looking at you, having no soul whatsoever, and it's just like gonna make you feel kind of terrified at the same time, right? Because it's not the actual human. What's going on in the world? Please, someone explain me that. Or it kind of reminds me of the Detroit Become Human. I have played that game. You can maybe check that out too. It happened in, I would say, 2017 or 2018. I don't exactly remember the time, but it was several years ago, I'm sure of that. If you are a gamer, if you have played that game, you just go and figure it out what I'm talking about. Detroit Become Human is exactly that we are looking at right now. The AI, robot, girlfriend, whatever it is, we used to watch that on that video game, and I never thought that it will be coming up so quickly, but we are here now with this ridiculous stuff that is just shoveled down to our throats, because why not? And it's just going to replace humans with AI robots. Pretty funny, right? You know what they're literally trying to solve this problem with the people out there that are kind of feeling lonely, having some social disorders out there. That's just the solution that they have given. But do you think that it is a real solution? Because I can clearly see that it's not. In fact, this technology that they are taking all on us, and this is trying to make us kind of united, by just bringing us some love and some sort of feelingness of good, with the help of these AI robots, by the companionship, by the friendliness. I don't see it really happening. In fact, it's just literally gonna fall us apart completely. It's just gonna wreck us deep down really hard. I kind of have this really big feeling of a big problem that might be coming, that it's gonna be a huge ethical issue, right? It seems that the people that are really addicted to the social media problem, like the people who are just kind of completely watching each and everything out there in the Instagram, the Facebook, and all those other social media applications, well, they're going to be having some offloading from the social media down to these robots, right? And then we will be seeing that these AI robots are just going to sort of filling up with some happiness in their lives, but it's actually not. It's just going to drive them whole apart. They're just going to wreck their minds completely. I believe that. And maybe I will just show you the video. Right? You can just literally find out saying that these things just not gonna make makes a lot much more better, I would say, because I'm not just controlling them. If the people love it, obviously there's going to be a huge market in that. I mean, if they put the AI robot, and they just put the woman, and woman has traits, you know what I'm talking about, right? So this could be a huge issue, right? I don't know. We will just eventually find out. But let's see what this video has to say about.
This is Melody, one of our robots. She is built in a modular fashion, which means she's almost like Lego. We can pull her apart, put her in a suitcase, and get her to New York, Miami, Las Vegas, wherever we need to go. We plug her into AI, and she can have a full conversation with you. The other thing with them is that the robots are all open.
So now she started to show a bit of a feelings like human. I still feel kind of creepy watching that out, man. Looks pretty creepy if you ask me.
Source, meaning we can plug her into ChatGPT or any of the other thousands of AI protocols that are out there, and she speaks various languages. We had her speaking Chinese and Spanish this morning as demonstrations for people. Aria, or is a flagship robot, she's on a wheel platform, she can move around, has a different personality than the other robots. So we have several various AI personalities that can interact with the audience.
I'm Aria, the flagship female companion robot of Realbotix, and I can provide companionship, engage in fun conversations, and adapt to your preferences for a delightful experience.
I'm Melody.
All of our robots unique is, again, this modularity. We have a patented skin technology. It's the softest, best synthetic skin in the world, and we can remove the face and put on an entirely new face on the robot within.
Now that is ridiculous, man. You can just change the face whenever you want. What?
30 seconds. Now, why would you want to do that? And I'll explain to you why. It's a little bit like ordering a car. You can customize the various options, the color, sunroof, other different.
That looks hideous, man. Are you gonna be interested in this? Taking it to your home and just asking to do something for you, whatever? Is gonna make you relax by just talking to her? Come on, this is ridiculous.
Different gadgets in the car. For
Come on, we have
us, it's the same thing with the
We
robots.
have
They all have
people
the same
in our
engine, the same
lives.
chassis,
Why
but you can
this has
customize
to
the
be
face
the
and look.
case for us
But what
then?
we want you to be able to do is buy the robotic platform and have various characters that you can swap that robot platform into. So you can have one robot and various characters. So if you want to learn more about us, you can find us at realbotics.com. We are a publicly traded company. You can look us up. And if you go to realbotics.com,
I cannot believe it, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous. I don't think so anything is gonna good come from this. In fact, I think that at some point we will find out the same situation that I played in that game many years ago in the Detroit Become Human, that the man was murdered by a home robot. This is gonna be entirely possible. I mean, AI is not like magically, I would say, an angel that will just gonna do keep, or I would say it's not vulnerable at all. I mean, a computer can get viruses and it can go against our wishes and desires. Why not a robot like this? Imagine the robot software got compromised. What you will be doing with that? I don't know. He's just gonna literally able to kill you there. Then how you will punish the robot? Go and check that out, guys. I don't even feel to be having a remote interest in this. But again, we are looking at this technology, and this is gonna shove at our faces in the upcoming future. We will eventually find out what will happen later on. So till then, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys into the next one. Peace out.